Okay, you guys, these are the chocolate chip big old cookies that I just baked. They are so big. I made them big. They put you in the manner of the one that young dog had in his hand, so I had to make them big. They got all the Hershey's and them little holes looking like inside of it. That's the chocolate chip Hershey's. So yeah, I made these chocolate chip cookies. I'm about to make the rest of them. So these gonna be for the kids. I think I did a really good job. Y'all see them? And they can have some milk with them tomorrow. Milk and cookies. These look like butter cookies, but these chocolate chip. They look like the same size that he had in his hand. So I gotta have these chocolate chip cookies. So I'm gonna start making these chocolate chip cookies in memory of young dog. I think a lot of people should do that. You know, just keep his memory and legacy and music alive. That's what he would have wanted everybody to do. We'll never forget him. Okay, you guys, you like this video, give me a like, comment down below, subscribe and share the video. I would greatly appreciate you if you would. And I will be coming back with more video vlogs. Vlog my day with this number. Vlog my day, wait a minute, 3. Vlog my day, yeah, 3. Vlog my day number 3. Okay, so y'all stay blessed and stay humble. Peace. Love you all.